Daddy said, do you want some help? But I said, no, I'll try myself. What do you think? Can I do it? Should I try or should I quit? Try! Should I zip my coat up high or tie my shoes and give a try? What do you say, my friends, today? Should I cheer myself and shout hooray? Hooray! He let me try first, Daddy, see I can do it, just trust me. Clap your hands, cheer me on. Confidence makes me strong. Yay! Go away! Should I pour my juice with care or brush my hair? It's everywhere. What do you think, my friends, be true? Can I do it just like you? Yes! Count with me, we'll try it slow. 1, 2, 3, now watch me go. 1, 2, 3. Should I stop or try again? Should I give up or just grin? Try again! Let me try first, Daddy, see I can do it, just trust me. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Confidence is such a treat. Toss again! Let me try first, Daddy, see I'm growing strong, just let me be. Thanks for cheering, thanks for song. Confidence will make me strong.